Hey guys, you ever become super autistic in your brain for a wee moment and think, hmm, I wonder if I got to a realistic level through various quests and whatnot before I go help the Brotherhood in the very early quest at the police station and kill all those synths and then hit them with that, whatever the hell it's called, I forgot the name. Today we're going to find out exactly what happens if you get level 3 Scrapper and then sit there for like an hour and scrap all the stuff. Yes, I'm level 24 because the third rank of Scrapper is unlocked at level 23.
Engine course ahead.
Yeah,
Should
he's
be
a
our
saint.
final stop.
It's like, man, he sure knows the way. Then I remember that he's a synth, so duh. No, I mean, this is my first playthrough, dude. I don't know.
Watch your footing.
He's just some really cool guy.
Engine firing. Test firing completed with an efficiency rating of 90.
Just grab everything out of here, walk right here, craft, and start to scrap. Oh wow. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot. Alright, and our grand total comes to... Go down the list. Whoa. Whoa. Wowza. That is a lot. And how much does all that weigh? Honestly, not that much. So, yeah. If you ever want to know, or had the autistic question, like I said, uh, I wonder if I sit in that room and let Paladin Dance kill a bunch of people for me. I wonder what, I wonder how much stuff I can get out of it. There you go. I bet you there's one on just on the other side of this wall that someone fucking opened. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. Wait.
Easy. Here we go, moment.